And there are lots of ways to, there are some ways to create soft body sim in Maya, but I will use in this case the same cloth to generate soft body. So say I have some object here. And they will be passive colliders for cloth simulation here. So cloth, passive collider, and now let's create a, let's pretend this will be our cloth, our solid body created using cloth. Might be only a little bit more of divisions here. Let's try. So we will make it a cloth and see what happens. So of course we could play around with all these tools here. We can change bounce, stickiness, friction. Let's increase the rigidity and let's see what happens. Maybe let's include bend resistance, and you see it really doesn't want to change the bend basically.